Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 366, Server Logic Objects. So far, our server logic tips have covered creating the file, which includes some sample code, and invoking that code via the Web API. In this tip, we'll look at the special server logic objects available to us in the JavaScript code. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. First, we've got server.connector.http client. This allows us to make requests to other web services using the get, post, put, patch, or delete async functions. We've also got server.siteSetting, which gets us access to the site setting table, server.environment variable, which gets us access to environment variables, server.website, which gets us to the current Power Pages website row, and server.user, which gets us to the contact row of the currently logged in user. Next, server.connector.dataverse allows us to interact with Dataverse. Functions exist for create record, retrieve multiple records, update record, delete record, and invoke custom API. Invoke custom API allows you to invoke either a bound action or a bound function. Server.context provides metadata about the current request, like query string parameters, headers, and body. And finally, there's server.logger, which we'll discuss in our next tip. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 366 on server logic objects useful.